Hello again, friends, enemies, boys, girls, and the 73 other genders. I was thinking, if you come into a lot of money, lottery, inheritance, whatever, what would be in your dream garage? Obviously, first priority, your dream house. What about your dream garage? I was thinking about this earlier this morning for no reason other than I was bored. But I've come up with mine. Fully restored and immaculate Series 2A Land Rover, because I love them. I've had a lot. E-Type Jag. I've had one. I love them. Electric trials bike for fun. Send this to KTM and have it gone through because I love it. Just have it rebuilt as factory. And perhaps something sensible for doing airport runs and that sort of thing. So, sensible. Rolls-Royce Corniche convertible. No supercars for me. They don't impress me. They never did. Modern cars? I can't think of many that are worth a bucket of poo. All modern cars tend to look the same, and they are the same, and they've all got driver aids that cost you in your own little world and you have no idea what's going on around you. Me, I just like to enjoy driving in whatever form that takes. Yeah, electric trials bike with a spare battery, bike trailer, hook on the back of the Land Rover, trundle off somewhere with a tent in the back and go and enjoy the lanes. Holidays, that's a hard one because I'm not a holiday person. Spent most of my life travelling. It probably wouldn't be exotic. Probably just a simple villa, Portugal, south of Spain, something like that. But holidays bore me. I like to be doing things. I might, if I can find a friend or two to come with me, charter a yacht somewhere, like down in the Dalmatian or Greek Isles, and go sailing for a couple of weeks. Now that I could enjoy. Early morning low sun, it's good, isn't it? Stretch the old girl's legs. She likes to have her legs stretched. It does them good, doesn't it? Boy, I cooked it up wrong with that sun. Yeah, ideal house. Now I think it'd have to be 3 or 4 bedroom because of my daughters coming and going and whatever. Bungalow. Swimming pool and small gym. And a feck of large garage with workshop. So I could go in the morning, I'd have a sofa and a kettle in there, and I'd tinker on whatever vehicle I wanted to tinker on. Anyway, that's mine. What's yours? Yeah, must have one. We've all thought about it. I know we have. If I get an inheritance or I win the lottery, you're all invited to one hell of a party. You know what to do. Ride safe. Be happy. Smile at the miserable gits. Bye.